will talk about how can you enable sleep notifications on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your name down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next CPR. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notifications here. So then you come to this here, just click here on sleep. So then you come here to sleep notifications. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here sleep notifications enable with us now. And here can you select time for notifications. Then you click on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.